What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and I'm on another app that is that's going to actually help you to get cash back when it comes to getting gas, when it comes to getting food, things like that. Things that everybody needs, everybody does pretty much every day. So this app is going to help you put money back in your pocket. So this is what I do in this app. First of all, let me show you right there my balance. I have $27.52. I'm going to cash that out. If you've seen any of my previous videos on this app, I've made a lot of money with it. Just to show you my history real quick. Well, first let me show you how it works before I show you my history. So it'll show you gas stations and restaurants that are close to you in your area. So it's important you have your location on so it can show you what gas stations and what, fast food restaurants that are close to you that are going to allow you to get cash back. Now, for me, this Shell gas station is down the street. If I go here, I'll get 4 cents cash back a gallon. So if I get 2 gallons worth of gas, I'll get 8 cents. You know what I'm saying? It's just that simple. And it's 29-cent cash back. That's if I go in the store and I buy anything. Everything I buy, I get 29% of that cash back. Now, here's another gas station. If I go to this gas station, I'll get 10-cent cash back on the gallon. So again, if I buy 5 gallons worth of gas, I'll get 50 cents for doing that. All right. So the thing is, everybody has to put gas in their car. Well, at least most people. So you might as well just, use an app that's going to allow you to put money back in your pocket. Now here it is, a Burger King. Let's start saying about the restaurants. So if I go to this Burger King and no matter what I spend, it says right here up to $20. I get 39% cash back. That is very high. So you're really getting a discounted meal on that. A lot of people eat fast food. So again, just like with the gas, you might as well just get paid to do that. All right. So that's basically what this app is about. Just finding gas stations and fast food restaurants that is going to allow you to get, cash back on it. Now, to show you my history and to show you how long I've been using this app, I made a lot of money with it. So I'm going to go to history right here. And you will see my lifetime earnings are $479.69. So you see here in the month of April so far I have $12.78. If I go back to March, I made $18.48. If I go back to February, I made $6.77. You know what I'm saying? So you see here I've made money with this app. December $14.60. It's just really just getting cash back from restaurants and food places. As simple as that. I've been using this app for well over a year, so I'm just kind of going way back now. In May of 2020, I made $48.98 just in a month with just cash back. So, I mean, sometimes you'll go to these gas stations and they're offering like 30 cents cash back. I mean, so it's like you gotta really take advantage of it. So that's why I love this app, just because I have to get gas in my car all the time. I go eat, out when I'm, out and about running errands. Sometimes I'll just stop and get something to eat, and I'll just kind of go in this app real quick and, see what restaurants are offering cash back. Go ahead and get it. The way you do it is, let's say you want to go to this Shell gas station right here. You claim the offer, and once you claim it, you have 4 hours in order to, actually get the purchase. So if I want to get gas, let's say right now it's 7 o'clock, I have until 11 o'clock to actually go get it. You have to take a picture of your receipt so they can see how many gallons you got. And it's important you pay with a debit card. You cannot pay with cash. I just want to make that very clear. Do not pay with cash. Always use a debit card because they won't give you any cash back if it's on a debit card. So you take a picture of it, you upload it to this app, and you'll get your cash back within the next 24 hours. So that's how easy it is. It's just simple as getting the gas. Make sure you get your receipt, take a picture of it, and just wait 24 hours, up to 24 hours. I mean, it might be sooner, just to get your cash back. So again, now let me show you the cash out. Let me go here. Cash out $27.52. You'll see the different things they have, the different gift cards you can get, restaurants, things like that. Or you can even get a check mailed to you if you don't have PayPal or you're not interested in any of these gift cards. But I'm going to go PayPal here. So I'm going to click on that. And got my email right there. So I'm going to continue. And you can always decide how much you want to get cash out. Like if I want to just cash out $15 to $20, I can. The minimum is $1. So all you gotta do is have $1 on here, and you can do that. But I'm gonna cash out the whole thing. So cash out, and just make sure all my information is up there is correct. Cash out. and just that simple. It'll be in my account 12 to 24 hours, and 9 times out of 10, I get paid on the same day with this app. So it is very, very easy. You do not have to wait forever to get your money. And you see there, my balance goes back to zero. So I highly encourage you guys to sign up for it. If you're interested, the link to it is in the description. Get started today and get paid to get gas and get food. Basically making it almost like, it's not going to be free, but discounted gas, discounted food. You really can't beat that. So get started with it today. Like I said, the link to it is in the description. If you're interested in making money online completely free, subscribe to my channel. Because that's what my videos are all about, just showing people how to make money different ways, a variety of ways. I try to show you as many ways as possible. That way you have as many options as you possibly can. So there's really no excuse as to why you can't be making at least a little side money in addition to your income online. So like I said, get started with it today. Link to it is in the description, and always remember, every penny counts.